back here on Pierre. Last time we worked on the brake stuff, we took the spindles off. Carson's just spruced this one up. He's getting the other one cleaned up right now. And we're getting ready to do our Wilwood kit just to mock everything up. So first order of business, we're going to take these bolts out here, obviously. And then put our bracketry on. Alright, so this is how the spindle bolts back on. You just put the caliper bracket in between. Now they also ship these spacers, just in case, because you want this to be 1.25 inches thick from the mating surface to here, which actually looks like we're a bit further than that. But with the spacer, it would be way too thick. Mocking up. Always wanted to check that, make sure we had enough length on the spindle, because some people always say, oh, you have to have a different spindle end on AMCs when going from drum to disc, like there's a disc spindle. Well, if this car had disc brakes on the factory, why would I bother putting a Wilwood kit on it? Anyway, so it looks like we're pretty nice right here. I'm going to snug up everything back there, and then we got to bolt our rotor to our hub here, but that was a good little test. Okay. Carson's bolting together the passenger side. Carson, you need to pull down on the green one and push up on the yellow one. There you go. There you go. Alright, and here's the completed hub, all bolted together, not torqued or not thread locked, because this is just mock-up. So we're going to assemble this one. Actually, Carson's going to assemble this one. Here, come over here. Okay, so we've already put the wheel studs in. Now take that piece, Carson, put it over the flange. Get it on there. It's tight fit. You're gonna have to make sure you line it up. There you go. Like that. Okay. Now, where's those bolts? Allen bolts. Where's that package? Oh, here we go. Open that up. Alright, now those bolts go in these holes. Let's get them all started. There we go. Keep it up. Maybe 5. Alright, crank them down. Remember, you gotta hold the bit. Remember, star pattern. 1, 2. Oh. Keep it on the plastic so it doesn't scratch. There you go. Might get that together. There you go. All right. Now you're gonna put the rotor on. Get them squared up first. Start them by hand before you go. Okay.
Oh my God.
It's gonna want a weebles wobble. Alright. Now remember, we are just mocking this up. This all will come back apart again and get torqued and thread locked and everything. This is just mock up. Alright, so I've slipped our bearings in on the hub. You got it, Carson, almost? Alright, I've slipped our bearings in our hub assembly. And then, of course, we have our, our lock washers here. Got to use our factory nut. And, of course, we use our pin. Chingaderas. Alright, hang tight 1 second. But we're just going to be mocking her up, so we're just going to put the nut on and make sure everything's good. Alright. That's mocked up. We'll do the caliper here in a minute. Let's go assemble your side, Carson.